Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. Today I'll show you how to make my favorite, the most amazing loaded baked potatoes, which is also known as jacket potatoes. But before I show you how, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. I'm going to make 4 servings, so to begin with you need 4 big russet potatoes or any other kind of potatoes of your choice. Washed, then pat-dried using paper towels. The list of ingredients are available in the description box below. You need 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and some kosher salt as needed. Before seasoning the potatoes, please preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, brush each potato with olive oil all around and then sprinkle some kosher salt all over. I'm just showing how to prepare one of them, repeat for the rest. Once they've all been oiled and salted, brush oil over the ends that were covered by the tongues. Now place the potatoes on a wire rack over a baking sheet. Alternately, you could also choose to directly place them on the oven rack. Now bake in your preheated oven of 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour or a little less if the potatoes are smaller in size. Next, in a hot medium-sized skillet over medium-high heat, place 3 strips of beef bacon. Please avoid overcrowding. Cook on medium-high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes until they become crisp, turning halfway through. Meanwhile, interchange the positions for even cooking as the middle of the skillet tends to be hotter. Turn over halfway through. The heat is still on medium-high. Once they become nice and crisp, remove from skillet and place over paper towels on a plate. Set aside and let it cool down. Next, in the same skillet but on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir and saute until golden brown. Then add 1 cup of diced onions. Stir and then saute until half tender. Add half a pound of ground beef. Break down the meat so they don't result in uneven chunks of meat. Stir to mix well. Continue to cook over medium heat for about 2 minutes. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, followed by half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir to mix and then cook on medium-low heat for about 6 to 8 minutes, stirring in between as necessary. Next, add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Heat is still on medium-low. Mix well. Let the gravy simmer, do not boil. You don't want to reduce the gravy yet. Then from this can right here, I'm going to add 4 ounces of corn kernels. Stir in. This corn from the can is already cooked. Now add 80 grams of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Stir in and let the cheese melt. Simmer and don't boil. Sharp cheddar cheese adds a bold taste as well as thickens the gravy. Stir again to blend the melted cheese into the mix. We intend to thicken the gravy to a consistency that's not too runny, yet runny enough like a thick broccoli cheddar soup. It's necessary to stir often to prevent the gravy from sticking to the bottom of the skillet while the gravy thickens. When the consistency of the gravy looks like this, remove from heat and set aside. Now crumble the previously cooked bacon into small pieces. Moving on to the potatoes are baked to perfection with nice and crisp skin. I'm going to show you how to load and plate one of them. Hold the baked potato with tongs and slit through. Now press on both ends. Fill in the opening with 1/4 of the prepared beef and corn gravy. Put some crumbled beef bacon over it. Garnish with some chopped chives and then top it with some sour cream. Now repeat the same for the rest of the baked potatoes and serve. Please check the description box below for the list of ingredients as well as any necessary notes on the recipe. Also, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you.